What is going on, everybody? I am going to be doing a review, a very close-up, detailed review of these leather gloves because that's what I'm here to do. No, this company, Alepo reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do one of your little detailed reviews about our here leather gloves? Because I don't think people have full appreciation for what these gloves are, and I'm here to do that. But in no way whatsoever will affect my review because I'm just here to keep it real. I am here to keep it real. This just happens to be a size medium. They have a whole bunch of different sizes. I would say from a sizing standpoint, I believe there is a size chart on the listing of these. They fit pretty dang close to what you would hope for as far as your size is concerned. Now, these are 100% sheepskin leather. Let me preface that. Sheepskin leather, if you know anything about leather, some good stuff. And the inside is 100% cashmere. Cashmere. If you know anything about cashmere, that's some good stuff. But these things are really nice. They are very nice gloves. There is a little bit of a elastic right here. You can kind of see how they fit. You can see the seams in there, very high quality. I'm not just saying that. I am not just saying that. These are nice. You can see the stitching there is all very nice. These things are well made. So sheepskin, check, good stuff. Cashmere, double check. These things are legit. So if you're looking for, I would say, fashionable gloves for when it's chilly outside, I would also say very nice, comforting. They do what you would hope they would do from a warm standpoint, and they just look nice. They just look nice on top of that. These just might be the set of gloves for you. Hopefully that finds you well, and we'll talk to you soon.